Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find and retrieve deleted junk mail from your Hotmail account, also known as Outlook. If you've accidentally deleted an important email, don't worry. There's still a good chance you can get it back. Stick with me and I'll guide you step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. Enter your Hotmail email address and password to log in. Make sure your password is strong and private. Your account security comes first. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start recovering your emails. On the left-hand side, you'll see the deleted items folder. This is where Hotmail temporarily stores emails you've deleted. Click on it to see if the email you're looking for is there. If you find it, simply right-click the email and choose Move to Inbox. That's it. Your email is back where it belongs. But what if the email isn't in the deleted items folder? Don't panic. At the top of the deleted items folder, you'll see a link that says recover items deleted from this folder. Click it and you'll see a list of emails that can still be recovered even if they were permanently deleted, although there's a time limit. Find the email you need, select it, and click recover. Hotmail will restore it to your inbox or another folder you choose. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can recover deleted junk mail from your Hotmail account and make sure you never lose an important email again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.